So we have decimals multiplying by a one-digit number. So we must be able to master the multiplication table and multiply decimals by a one-digit number with regrouping. How to multiply decimals? So a decimal number is a number that has a decimal point. So here is the whole part, and on the right side will be the decimal part. So you must master first your multiplication table for you to able multiplying decimal. So let's try your multiplication ability. Answer the following in 5 seconds. 8 times 7 is equal to, time's up, the answer is 56. Did you get the correct answer? If not, you need to revise your times table. Next, 4 times 9 is equal to, time's up, answer is 36. Another one, 12 times 5 is equal to, okay, time's up, stop counting, we have 60. No need to count, you need to memorize the times table. 1 times 6, time's up, answer is 42. And last one, 6 times 8, time's up, answer is 48. So, if you are not yet mastered the times table, you will not be able to multiply decimals or multiply any numbers as accurate and fast. So, please revise your times table. In multiplying decimals, multiply in normal way, then just count how many decimal places to be put onto the answer. How to multiply decimals with regrouping? For example, 1 and 631 thousandths times 3, or just 1.631 times 3. Step 1, multiply the thousandths by 3. The thousandths here is 1. So 1 thousandths times 3 is 3 thousandths. In vertical form, we have here 1 times 3 is 3. Step 2, multiply the hundreds by 3. So 3 hundredths times 3 is 9. So 3 times 3 equals 9. Step 3, multiply the tenths by 3. We have 6 tenths. Multiply by 3, we have 18. Take note, 18 tenths. Regroup the tenths. So the 18 tenths will be 1, 1, 8 tenths. So here, 1 up and 8 down. Step 4, multiply the ones by 3. So we have 1, 1 times 3 is 3 ones. But 3 ones, just add 1, 1. We have 4 ones. So we have 4 and 893 thousandths. One more example. 2 and 561 thousandths times 2. So multiply the thousandths by 2. We have 1 thousandths times 2 is equal to 2. Step 2, multiply the hundreds by 2. So we have 6 hundreds times 2 is 12 hundreds. We have 12 means regroup the hundreds. We have 1 tenth and 2 hundredths. Or just put 1 up and 2 down. Step 3, multiply the tenths by 2. We have 5 tenths times 2 is 10. The 10 tenths, we need to add 1 tenth, so we have 11 tenths. Then we need to regroup the tenths. We have 1, 1, and 1 tenth. So here, 1 up and 1 down. Step 4, multiply the ones by 2. So 2 ones times 2 is equal to 4 ones. Add the ones. We have 4 ones plus 1 1 is 5 ones. So we have here 5. As you can see, it's like multiplying normally, but we only have the decimal point. If how many decimal points here, we have 3 decimal places, it means in our answer, we have 3 decimal places also. Let's multiply A and B. So let's multiply 5 times 1, 5.
5 times 3, 15. We need to regroup 1 on the tens place and 5 on the hundreds place. 5 times 6, very good, 30. Don't forget to add 1, it becomes 31. 3 on ones place and 1 on tens place. 5 times 1, 5 plus 3 is 8. Then after you multiply, you need to count how many decimal places. So we have 1, 2, 3. On the answer, we need to count also 3. 1, 2, 3. Then write the decimal point. So we have 8 and 155 thousandths. How about in letter B? Let's multiply 5 times 4, 20. We need to regroup 2 on the hundreds place and 0 on thousands place. 5 times 5, 25 plus 2, it's 27. Regroup 2 in tens place and 7 in hundreds place. Next, 5 times 3, 15 plus 2, it's 17. 1 on ones place and 7 on tenths place. 5 times 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, we're done multiplying. Let's count the decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So on the answer, we have 1, 2, 3. Then write the decimal point. So we have 11 and 770 thousandths.
To sum up our lesson, the steps in multiplying decimals: align both numerals to the right. Do not align up decimals. Second, you need to multiply. Then count over from the right of each numeral to the decimal. Add those together. Counting from the right, put the decimal point to the correct spot based on how many decimals you counted on step 3. So here we have 2 decimal places. It means in the final answer we have 2 decimal places.